Honor is gearing to launch its Magic6 Ultimate and Magic6 RSR Porsche design flagships on March 16th, and we get a confirmation that the device will feature the new 1-inch sensor from OmniVision. The 50-megapixel OmniVision OV50K sensor is expected to feature an f1.4 to f2.0 variable aperture and class-leading dynamic range. Honor posted an accompanying teaser poster that clearly states that OV50K sensor is capable of reaching 15 exposure value. The sensor boasts of LOFIC technology for improved dynamic range, with Honor quoting a 600% increase in dynamic range capabilities. The Honor Magic 6 Ultimate will be the souped-up version of the Magic 6 Pro with 6.8-inch LTPO, 1.5K screen, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and 16 GB of RAM. The device is expected to feature 5600 mAh battery with 80 watt wired and 66 watt wireless charger, and the same camera hardware accompanying with a 180 megapixel periscope f2.6 camera and a 50 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide camera. The Magic 6 RSR will feature the same hardware but in a more flashy shell styled by Porsche design. Please make a note, there is no charger in the box for Honor anymore.